Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all guys are fine and doing well. Today's video is all about a scholarship that is under the name of Commonwealth Master's Scholarship for 2024-2025. So let's get started with our video. It's basically a fully funded scholarship, and it's for master's and research programs, and it is for those students who are just willing to pursue their higher education in UK in under Commonwealth Master's Scholarship Program, who are not able to afford their higher education fee or their living expenses and their routine life expenses and all these things. So if you are such a student who is just willing to pursue your higher education in UK under this scholarship program, then you are just at the right place on the YouTube here, because in this video I will provide you information about this opportunity. I will share all the details about this scholarship, like how to apply for this scholarship, what are the steps to apply, what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this scholarship, and what is the selection criteria, and what are the details, what is the amount of stipend that will be given to you people under this scholarship. So all these things will be discussed in this video. So what you have to do is to just not skip the video, skip any part of the video, because this video will be very helpful for you people when you will be applying for this scholarship. So moving forward towards the details of the scholarship, if we talk about the level of study that will be covered under this scholarship, then it is for master's degree or research program, and it's a fully funded scholarship, as I have already discussed, and its deadline is October 17, 2023. It means that only 36 days are left from now to apply for this scholarship. So you must have to apply just before October 17, 2023 if you want to win this scholarship, if you want to make yourself eligible for this scholarship. So it's for candidates from low and middle income Commonwealth countries to undertake full-time taught master's study at a UK university, and it's fully funded by the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office (FCDO). The Commonwealth Master's Scholarship enables talented and motivated individuals to gain the knowledge and skills required for sustainable development, and are aimed at those who couldn't otherwise afford to study in the UK, and applicants must take the necessary steps to apply for admission to their preferred universities in advance of their scholarship. Applicants and candidates should check course requirements and admission deadlines and apply on time. And if you are selected for a scholarship and have not applied and been accepted for the course for which you are selected, your scholarship will be lost, and applicants should be aware of the fact that the Commonwealth Scholarships Commission (CSC) doesn't charge candidates to apply for any of its scholarships or fellowships through its online application system, and doesn't charge organizations to nominate candidates. This post is only for master's degree program applicants. If you wish to apply for a doctoral program, then you can also do that. So if we talk about the program details, then the host institution is the universities in the United Kingdom, and if we talk about the fields of study, then the scholarships are offered under 6 development themes: science and technology for development, strengthening health systems and capacity, promoting global prosperity, strengthening global peace, security and governance, strengthening resilience in response to crisis, access, inclusion and opportunity. And the number of awards are not specified, and the duration of the scholarship is equal to the duration of the applicant's normal program's duration. And if we talk about the target group of citizens, then it's open to citizens or persons with refugee status of Antigua and Barbuda, Bangladesh, Belize, Botswana, Cameroon, Dominica, Eswatini, Fiji, Gabon, Ghana, Grenada, Guyana, India, Jamaica, Kenya, Kiribati, Lesotho, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mauritius, Montserrat, Mozambique, Namibia, Nauru, Nigeria, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Rwanda, Samoa, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, South Africa, Sri Lanka, St. Helena, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Tanzania, Tanzania, the Gambia, Togo, Tongo, Tualva, Uganda, Warauta, Zambia. So all these countries are eligible for this scholarship. So now we talk about the benefits that is given to you people, to the winning candidates of the Commonwealth Master Scholarship. Then the scholarship to study in Europe provides successful applicants with the approved airfare from your home country to the UK and return at the end of your award, and approved tuition fees stipend at the rate of 13,047 euros per month or 16,052 euros per month for those at universities in the London metropolitan area, and warm clothing allowance, fare applicable, study travel grants towards the cost of study. If you are widowed, divorced, or a single parent, a child allowance of 576.61 euros per month for the first child and 143 euros per month for the second and third child under the age of 16. If you are accompanied by your children and they are living with you at the same address in the UK, if you declare a disability, a full assessment of your needs and eligibility for additional financial support will be offered by the CSC. And if we talk about then how you can apply for the Commonwealth Master Scholarship, then to apply for the Commonwealth Master Scholarship you must apply to one of the following nominating bodies in the first instance. The CSC doesn't accept direct applications for these scholarships. Like these are, number one is national nominating agencies. This is the main route of application, and selected non-governmental organizations and charitable bodies, and all applications must be made through one of these nominating bodies, and each nominating body is responsible for its own selection process and may have additional eligibility criteria. You must check with your nominating body for their specific advice and rules for applying their own eligibility criteria and their own closing date for applications. You must make your application using the CSC's online application system, in addition to any other application that you are required to complete by your nominating body. And the CSC will not accept any applications that are not submitted via the online application system, and all applications must be submitted by 16 GMT on 17 October 2023 at the latest. And if we talk about the required documents for this scholarship, then your application must include the following supporting documentation in order for your application to be eligible for consideration. So number one is proof that you are a citizen or have refugee status of an eligible Commonwealth country, a copy of your valid passport or national ID card showing your photograph, date of birth and country of citizenship uploaded to the online application system, and full transcripts detailing all your higher education qualifications, including to-date transcripts for any qualifications you are currently studying with certified translations if not in English, uploaded to the online application system. And references from at least 2 individuals are submitted directly by the referees to the online application system. Referees will be sent an email request to submit online, and it's your responsibility to ensure that your referees are able to complete the references by the deadline and that they receive the reference request. The CSC will not accept supporting documentation submitted by nominating agencies or outside the online application system. And if we talk about the deadline for this scholarship, then the deadline to submit applications is October 17, 2023, and you can also visit the official page here, and you can just how you can apply. So you can just click on the apply, go to their website, official website, and click on the apply button, and then an application form will be opened, will appear before you. Then you must have to submit your admission form and just fill all your all your credentials, just attach all the documents and just submit the application, and then if you will meet all the eligibility criteria, then you will definitely be able and get a higher chance to win this scholarship program. So that's it for today. I hope that you have got much information about the video about the scholarship, Commonwealth Master Scholarship. So I also hope that you have liked the video. If you liked the video, just give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon for more informative and amazing content. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.